Welcome to Story Sprout Kids. Get ready for a fun new story.
Hello, little sprouts, and welcome back. Today, we're going to explore two very different paths we can take when something goes wrong. It's the tale of saying sorry versus blaming others. Let's join our friends, Leo and Mia. Oh, dear, what a tumble. All that hard work, gone in a second. Now, when a mistake happens, we come to a fork in the road. One path is a blame game path, and the other is a sorry and solve path. Let's see which one Leo takes first. You made me do it. You were standing too close. It's your fault. It seems Leo has taken the blame game path. See how he's pointing his finger? That's a classic move in the blame game. When we blame someone else, we're trying to pass our mistake to them like a hot potato. But does it fix the tower? No, and look at Mia's face. She looks hurt and confused. The blame game doesn't just avoid the problem. It can also hurt our friends' feelings. I didn't do anything. I was just watching. Now, let us rewind and see what happens if Leo chooses the other path. The sorry and solve path. And action! The tower has fallen again. But this time, let's see if Leo can find the courage to take the sorry and solve path. It takes a brave person to do it. I'm sorry, Mia. I knocked it over by accident. It was my mistake. Wow! Did you see that? Leo chose a path of courage. He said the magic words, I'm sorry. Saying sorry doesn't mean you're a bad person. It means you're a brave and honest person who can admit when they've made a mistake. It's like being a superhero of your own actions. Now, look at Mia's face. It's okay, Leo. It was an accident. We can build it again. Exactly. The sorry and solve path leads to teamwork. When you say sorry, you're not just fixing the mistake. You're fixing the feelings between you and your friend. You're saying, our friendship is more important than this mistake. Oh, no, right in the sand castle. Now it's Sam's turn. Will he play the blame game or will he choose a sorry and solve path? I am so sorry, Mia. I didn't mean to hit your sandcastle. I should have been more careful where I was throwing. Another hero of honesty. Sam didn't blame the frisbee or the wind. He took responsibility. He knew it was his action that caused the problem. Let's see what happens next. It's okay, Sam. Thanks for saying sorry. Do you want to help me fix it? We can make it even bigger. Yeah, let's add a moat. And there it is again. The sorry and solve path leads to even better things. Blaming pushes friends away and leaves the problem unsolved. Saying sorry brings friends closer and opens the door to finding a solution together. So, little sprouts, remember the two paths. The blame game is a lonely road that leads to hurt feelings and unsolved problems. But the sorry and solve path, while it takes courage, is a sunny lane that leads to stronger friendships, teamwork, and feeling good about yourself. Being able to say I'm sorry is a true superpower. Use it well. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.
If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to Story Sprout Kids for more magical stories.